Hello guys, today we're gonna, Max and me and Ali are gonna go way back over there to this green, like to the road back there, over there.
We're not actually the road.
Not actually the road, but like before it. And then we're gonna, just like what Ali did, we're just gonna keep going to that like water puddle over there. By over there.
See that thing? Like,
Yeah, do you see like that
hi.
fence? Like the one, yeah, that's Max.
Hi.
That's me. That's Ali back over there. So we're gonna splash into it and see how high we could go. Let's go. Ali's not really bad at this, so we might do like a epic fail or something. Okay, let's see how high Max can do it. I'm like singing like some of Imagine Dragons songs. In my head, it's called Whatever It Takes. And there's a song called He's Right There. Okay, and there's a song called by The Script, Break Even. What am I supposed to? Heart breaks even, you're okay. What am I supposed to say when Okay, let's see how high. Oh, that was pretty high. See how Ali can do it. Epic fail, epic fail. Epic fail. Max is coming this way.
Hi.
Okay, we teleported. Okay, we're gonna teleport right. Whoa! We're teleporting, guys, to the. We're teleporting. We're teleporting. Okay. Right here. And okay. Bye guys. Sorry. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Actually, let's do what we usually do. Throw in the water, and then I'm gonna pause you guys. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!